Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro does have the fingerprint sensor. And to do this you'll need to open the settings. Here find the biometrics and security, or security and privacy. Here maybe somewhere we can find the fingerprint, maybe on lock screen. Here it is. Fingerprints, continue, so that confirms that this device does have it. And now let's just check where it is. So on this device it's located where the power key is, on the right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.